Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore a question that's on the minds of many aspiring traders. How much profit can you make in option trading? Let's dive into this fascinating topic. Understanding option trading. Before we get into potential profits, let's briefly understand what option trading is. Options are financial contracts that give you the right, but not the obligation, to buy or sell an asset at a specific price before a certain date. They can be a powerful tool for profit, but they come with risks. Potential for profit. Options offer the potential for substantial profits. Due to leverage, a small investment can yield significant returns. For example, a well-timed options trade can result in a profit of 100% or more. However, it's crucial to remember that high rewards come with high risks. Factors affecting profits. Several factors impact your profit potential in option trading. These include the option strike price, expiration date, market volatility, and the underlying asset's price movement. To maximize profits, you must develop a clear strategy that takes these factors into account. Risk management. Now, here's the key to successful option trading: risk management. To protect your capital, set stop-loss orders, diversify your positions, and only invest what you can afford to lose. This way, you can mitigate potential losses and safeguard your profits. The bonus point: realistic expectations. Bonus point: it's essential to maintain realistic expectations. While options offer significant profit potential, not every trade will be a winner. In fact, many seasoned traders experience losses along the way. Stay patient, learn from your mistakes, and continually improve your skills. In conclusion, option trading can indeed lead to substantial profits, but it's not a guaranteed path to wealth. Your success will depend on your knowledge, strategy, and risk management. Remember that trading options carries risks, and it's possible to lose more than your initial investment. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more valuable insights into the world of finance and trading. And always remember to trade responsibly and within your means.